Hello everyone, we are back with another question of PT 2 minutes. Today I will be discussing a question on root parasitism. I will give you some time, try to mark the correct answer. So now let's discuss our question. Which of the following species is widely known for unique characteristic of root parasitism? So what is root parasitism? Root parasitism is a tree species getting nutrition from other tree species living in nearby. So what basically happens is, suppose this is a one tree and this is another tree. Okay, so these are hemiparasite, means they are having their own photosynthesis, but for major chunk of their nutrition they will make a connection with this another tree species, and this connection are known as hosteria roots. And from there, this tree, the tree number one, will take nutrition like water, minerals and other nutrition, and from here it will survive for its growth. So this is what all is about root parasitism. And which of these tree species follow the root parasitism? It's sandalwood. Sandalwood develops a root parasitism, a hostilial connection with all this nearby. And why? Because it's a dry deciduous tree found in Deccan Plateau. So this is one of the adaptation mechanism that sandalwood tree have to survive in the environment. And all other trees are similarly important. For example, teak. Teak is basically sagon found in the middle central Indian region. And why these teaks are very famous? Because of the good quality of wood found for furnitures. Second is neem. Why neem is very important? Neem has medicinal property. Neem has insecticidal property. Neem is drought tolerance, means neem tree can be grown in the drought tolerant region. So neem is very important. Then Arjun. Why Arjun is important? Arjun tree is home to silk. Okay, basically the tussar silk. Okay, so the moth of the tussar silk is found in Arjun tree. I'll ask all of you to find out and give answer in the comment, which is the largest producer of tussar silk in India. So apart from answering this question, try to answer also which is highest tussar silk producing state in India. So your answer for this question is sandalwood. Root UPSC generally ask now unique characteristic with respect to many species. So this is also one of the unique characteristic found in Indian trees, which answer is sandalwood. So those of you who have marked sandalwood, many congratulations. For more such video, follow PT 2 minutes.